The earth whispers its secrets in fragments, broken pottery shards, crumbling stone walls, half-buried monuments. These are the riddles left behind by time. Each piece a tantalizing clue to civilizations long vanished, their stories lost to the sands of history. Yet sometimes the earth yields a treasure so unexpected, so enigmatic, that it rewrites our understanding of the past. Such was the case with Seahenge, a prehistoric monument unearthed on the Norfolk coast of England. Imagine a time when vast forests carpeted the land and the rhythms of life were dictated by the sun, moon, and tides. This is the story of Seahenge, a timber circle swallowed by the sea, only to resurface millennia later. The year was 1998. The place, home next the sea, a quiet village nestled along the windswept shores of Norfolk. The relentless North Sea had eroded the shoreline, revealing a startling secret hidden beneath the waves for millennia. Exposed at low tide, a strange circular formation of wooden posts, some upright, others lying prone, emerged from the sand. This was no ordinary collection of driftwood. Word spread quickly of the unusual discovery. Archaeologists, historians, and curious onlookers alike flocked to the site. Initial surveys revealed a circle of 55 wooden posts, some as tall as 3 meters, encircling an upturned oak tree. Radiocarbon dating confirmed the structure's astonishing age. It was constructed around 2049 BC. The discovery of Seahenge sent ripples of excitement through the archaeological community. But what was Seahenge's purpose? Why had it been built on the edge of the sea, only to be swallowed by the very element it seemed to embrace? Some experts proposed that Seahenge served as a ritualistic site, a place where ancient Britons gathered to commune with the divine. Others theorized that Seahenge was a funerary monument, a final resting place for revered individuals. The upturned tree at the center hinted at a belief in an afterlife. Still, others suggested that Seahenge played a role in astronomical observation, its timber posts aligning with significant celestial events. The precise orientation of the site suggested a sophisticated understanding of the cosmos. Perhaps Seahenge served as a giant solar calendar, marking the solstices and equinoxes. While the exact purpose of Seahenge remains shrouded in mystery, archaeological evidence unearthed at the site offers tantalizing clues. Fragments of pottery, tools, and animal bones, carefully arranged within the circle, hint at a people deeply connected to the natural world. One compelling theory posits that Seahenge served as a liminal space, a threshold between the worlds of the living and the dead. The upturned tree at the center could have symbolized the axis mundi, the cosmic pillar connecting the earthly realm to the celestial spheres. The presence of animal remains suggests that ritual feasting may have been an integral part of ceremonies conducted at Seahenge. The orientation of Seahenge suggests a deep-seated fascination with the cosmos. The entrance, flanked by 2 towering posts, faces east, aligning perfectly with the rising sun on the spring and autumn equinoxes. This deliberate alignment suggests that Seahenge's builders possessed a sophisticated understanding of astronomical cycles. The circular shape of Seahenge, echoing the celestial dome, further reinforces the connection to the heavens. The perimeter posts, some deliberately placed at varying heights, may have cast long shadows across the interior, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. The discovery of a possible lunar alignment adds another layer of complexity to its astronomical significance. Seahenge stands as a poignant reminder of the power of nature to both preserve and reclaim the past. Thousands of years ago, the coastline of Norfolk looked vastly different than it does today. The sea level was lower, and a vast expanse of marshland, rich in wildlife and vegetation, stretched out from the shore. This fertile landscape, known as Doggerland, connected Britain to mainland Europe. Seahenge, rather than being situated on the coast, would have stood inland, surrounded by this vibrant ecosystem. However, as the last ice age ended and glaciers melted, Sea levels gradually rose, slowly inundating Doggerland. Seahenge, once a focal point in this thriving community, eventually succumbed to the rising tides. The story of Seahenge is not just a tale of ancient mysteries, but also a stark reminder of the profound impact of climate change on human history. The very existence of this submerged monument speaks volumes about the dynamic nature of our planet and the consequences of environmental shifts for civilizations past and present. The gradual submergence of this once thriving landscape highlights the vulnerability of coastal communities. It underscores the need for proactive measures to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Furthermore, Seahenge challenges us to reconsider our understanding of the distant past. Seahenge, despite its enigmatic nature, offers us a precious glimpse into the minds and beliefs of our ancestors. The very act of constructing such a monument speaks volumes about the social complexity and spiritual beliefs of the people who inhabited Britain millennia ago. The deliberate orientation of Seahenge, aligning with celestial events, highlights the importance of astronomy and cosmology in their worldview. The discovery of tools, pottery, and animal remains within the circle suggests a people deeply connected to the natural world. Seahenge could be seen as a physical manifestation of their spiritual beliefs, a place where they sought harmony with the natural forces that governed their world. Though separated from us by millennia, the builders of Seahenge offer us valuable lessons for navigating the challenges of the 21st century. Their deep reverence for the natural world serves as a potent reminder in an age often characterized by environmental degradation. The very existence of Seahenge speaks to the power of collective effort and the importance of long-term thinking. In a world often focused on immediate gratification, Seahenge stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of human ingenuity. By studying the past, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the grand tapestry of time. Seahenge, unearthed from the depths of time, stands as a powerful symbol of our shared human heritage. It is a testament to the ingenuity, resilience, and spiritual depth of our ancestors. As custodians of the past, we have a responsibility to protect and preserve these irreplaceable treasures for future generations. The excavation and subsequent preservation of Seahenge highlight the importance of archaeological research. By studying these ancient sites, we gain invaluable insights into the beliefs, practices, and challenges faced by those who came before us. Moreover, sites like Seahenge possess immense cultural and educational value. By making these sites accessible to the public, we can foster a deeper appreciation for our shared human story. In preserving Seahenge and other archaeological treasures, we invest in a richer future for generations to come.